Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this device here. It's a Semi-Nalac car door handle for elderlies. It's a non-slip grip and a sturdy assist supporter. It fits on the most vehicles on the market for an easy getting in and getting out of the car. And it's helpful for seniors, handicapped, pregnant women, children, and so on. It's a universal fit and an easy installation, designed to fit into most cars, SUVs, trucks, and vans. This car door handle assist features a secure attachment to standard door latches. Quick and hassle-free setup ensures an easy installation and removal, perfect for everyday use and travel. And if you're a premium non-slip grip, it's crafted with a high-quality NBR material. This handle offers an ultra-strong anti-slip grip that remains effective even when it's wet. Deodor-free, oil-resistant, and elastic. It provides a maximum comfort and durability for seniors, pregnant women, children, and those with limited mobility. And sturdy support for heavy use. It's made from a one-piece forged aluminum alloy. This assist handle supports up to 400 pounds without bending or breaking. It ensures reliable support for users with the mobility changes, whether we're assisted loved ones or preparing for a road trip. And it's portable and a protective design. It weighs only 144 grams. There's a 5.1 OD. This lightweight and compact handle fits easily in closed compartment, door pockets, or the backs. The included silicone cap protects our car's interior from scratches, ensuring convenience and protection for daily or emergency use. An emergency-ready multi-purpose tool here, because this handle includes a built-in seatbelt cutter and a window breaker, displaying essential safety features in emergencies. Enhanced vehicle safety for all passengers, this making it to a vital addition to any car. And it makes a good job, as you can see. It works easy peasy. It's a car handle for easy getting in and out of the car. Non-slip grip, seatbelt cutter included, glass breaker included, and up to 400 pounds. Easy to use, universal fit, and high quality materials. This car door handle is a revolutionary device designed to make getting in and out of the car a breeze for everyone. Whether we are an elderly person with limited mobility, a pregnant woman, a parent assist, a child, or someone recovering from an injury, this handle provides support we will need. And the car door handle assist can be easily attached. The seatbelt cutter can easily be used, and the glass breaker makes a good job in case of emergency. With an ergonomic slip, and this is a perfect gift for seniors and must-have for every car owner. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon. That's cool.